Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can withdraw money on Venmo, so let's dive in. To start, open your browser and go to the official Venmo website at venmo.com. And make sure to log in with your account using your credentials. On the home page, look for the three-line menu icon often called the hamburger button located in the top right corner. Click on it, and once the menu appears, scroll down and select the Login option. You'll be directed to a sign-in form where you'll need to enter your Venmo username and password. After filling in your credentials, click Sign In to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen where your recent transactions are displayed. On the left-hand side, you'll see your Venmo username and a few buttons, including Pay or Request. Just below that, you'll find your Venmo balance. Click on the option labeled Transfer Money. This will bring up a screen where you can enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. You'll also be prompted to choose between an instant transfer, usually subject to a small fee, or a standard transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. After selecting your preferred transfer speed, you'll need to choose the bank account you want the money sent to. Once all the details are confirmed and you're ready to proceed, click the green Transfer button at the bottom of the screen. This will initiate the withdrawal process, and your funds will be on their way to your bank.